Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. But if you're stopping by for the first time, I really appreciate you being here, and I can tell you're going to learn a lot from today's video. So that was Vaseline. Vaseline has been part of my hair care routine. Whenever I use this with other ingredients, it helps moisturize my hair and keep it moisturized for a very long time. And that is the goal to preventing hair breakages. You need a very moisturized hair in order to prevent your hair from breaking. My very next natural ingredient is green tea. People are sleeping on this natural ingredient. If you are someone who sheds hair a lot, experiencing hair breakages or hair fall, adding green tea to your hair care routine can reduce it. Also, green tea contains antioxidants that can treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues, making your scalp area healthy for new healthy hair growth. And hey you all, you know how it's over here, but if you're new here and you do not know how it's over here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. So that is aloe vera powder. Aloe vera is another great natural ingredient that can promote hair growth. Using aloe vera in your hair care routine can also strengthen your hair strands. It is going to treat your scalp from scalp issues that can hinder your hair from growing and improve healthy hair growth. Alright, so that was Shea Butter. Shea Butter is another great moisturizer. If you are trying to grow healthy hair, you need stuff that can moisturize your hair really well and keep it moisturized. Shea Butter will prevent hair breakages and also strengthen your hair strands. At this point, I'm going to add my career oil. I decided to use olive oil today because of how well it works with my hair. But feel free to use any career oil of your choice. It can be grapeseed oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, any plant-based oil that works great with your hair. So at this point, I'm going to put everything together and put it in the hot water like so. So if you are wondering about the measurements, I measured about a tablespoon of each ingredient, added 1 tea bag of the green tea, and I added about 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. So just, for reference, in case you are making more, you will need more, of course. So after that, I put everything together and I'm going to wait for all of it to melt together. Alright, so this is how everything came out. I just love this hair moisturizer. If you haven't tried anything, give this one a shot. You will come back and thank me later. This is so potent and it is going to help promote healthy hair growth. So once you take it out of the water, okay, don't wait too long. Just allow it to cool down a little bit to a temperature that you would not burn yourself. It solidifies really quickly. So if you wait longer, you will have to re-put it back into the hot water to melt everything. So after that, you're going to use anything with a tiny hole. I decided to use a paper towel, but you can use a cheesecloth or any material with tiny holes. You want to make sure you are trapping all the green tea particles. You do not want them in your hair. Putting this recipe in hot water already extracted all the nutrients that needed from the green tea as well as the other ingredients. So you need to get rid of those little particles of green tea. So this is castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you see that castor oil can help condition the hair. If your hair is too weak, breaking and shedding a lot, if you want to grow your hair thicker and fuller, you need to incorporate castor oil in your hair care routine. Castor oil has been one of my favorite oils ever since I started my hair growth journey. So at this point, you can add any essential oil of your choice. If you don't have essential oil, you don't have to worry about it. Essential oils will improve the smell of this recipe, plus it will add other benefits to it. I chose lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil has a calming smell. Aside that, it is going to treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues and even prevent hair breakages. You just need to add a few drops to your recipe. You don't need much. This is how it came out. Look at how beautiful this is. This recipe is a must try, guys. I left it in the refrigerator and this is how it turned out. So if you don't want it that liquidy, you can always leave it in the refrigerator and use it when needed. So when you have it like so, you can use this every day or every other day. Whenever your hair feels dry, use this as your hair moisturizer. Also, on your wash days, when you are done washing your hair, make this your go-to hair moisturizer. It is going to keep your hair moisturized for a very long time and also help improve healthy hair growth. Always remember to put your hair in a protective hairstyle and also put a leave-in conditioner in your hair. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.